Hey guys, I am out at 3185 Olivia Marie Lane on Johns Island doing an open house, and I have a little lull, so I thought maybe we could do a walkthrough and I can show you how beautiful this home and the property are. So let's take a look. All right, so this is in Waterloo Estates, right off of River Road. It is the cement plank siding, the hardy board. It was just repainted in October of 2025, so you have a lot of years before you're going to have to repaint it. And it does have this pretty, this is a Charleston thing, this haint blue on the ceiling of the porch. They added a storm door. They have done so many upgrades. This was built in 2017. They replaced all of the flooring with LVP flooring. You have the laundry room here. It does have a door, so it's not a laundry closet, it's actually a laundry room. They swapped this out for a barn door for the closet. It's very open. So it was built in 2017, but they have updated so many things in it. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and it also has a flex space in it. It did have, oh, that's a little dark. It did have a fireplace here, but they took that out so that they could change the configuration of the room. And now they have their TV over there, very tall vaulted ceilings. Over here's the kitchen. They have redone the countertops in here, replaced the appliances. They changed the backsplash. So you've got this tile backsplash here. It does have an eat-in kitchen, so you don't have a formal dining room that you're only gonna use 3 times out of the year. We'll get to the backyard in just a minute because that is absolutely amazing. It is 0.6 acres, so definitely not your typical lot that you're finding in most communities these days. This is one of the secondary bedrooms. It does have built-in shelves. All of the closets are very generous in size. It has a linen closet. This is the guest bath, we'll get to that. This is the other guest room. It has real wood shiplap. Again, another closet here. They've added ceiling fans and light fixtures. This is the guest bath, so they have redone all of the plumbing in here, added new light fixtures. It's just absolutely beautiful. Okay, and then we're gonna go over here. Now they do have, when they bought it, they had a screen porch, but they have upgraded it and it is now a 4-season room. This is the master bedroom. It does have a tray ceiling in it. And I love that you have windows in it for light, but you have some privacy as well. Closet here. And then also they've updated this entire bathroom. They took a tub out and added this gorgeous blue tile in here. And then, have you ever seen farmhouse sinks in a bathroom before? I never have. This was something that I had to go home and tell my husband about. This is a little vanity that they made here with the backlit light, or I'm sorry, the backlit mirror. Again, all new counters in here, and then walk-in closet. But I love this. This was definitely something I told my husband. This is an occupational hazard that I have. I come home and I'm always like, honey, guess what I saw today? He loves it. I'm being a little sarcastic. All right, so here we have the 4-season room. So you can get to it from the master bedroom, the primary bedroom. Gorgeous natural wood ceiling and a heck of a ceiling fan out here. Lots of space. It does have, this is included in the square footage, and it does have a mini split up there that you can use the remote to change it. All right, so it also has this sliding glass door. And then outdoors, they have the pavers. But before we get to that, let's go ahead and go up. This also has the flex room. So this could be a 4th bedroom. We don't have it listed as a 4th bedroom. It does have a closet and it has a window, so we can debate, you know, what qualifies as a bedroom, if it has to have a closet, if it has to have a bedroom, or if it has to have a window. But this one has both, so it can definitely be classified as a bedroom, but we didn't include it. It does not have a bathroom up here, but if you wanted to, you could add a bathroom. It would be more of a powder room. You have storage under here. This is HVAC access, but there's also a little platform in there that you could you could store some things as well. All right, now let me show you the wow factor to this house. Is that really cliche of me to say wow factor? I feel like it might be. But if you want classic low country, it doesn't get more classic low country than this. Look at those live oaks back there. And then plenty of room for a pool. And then it also has a matching storage shed, also hardy board plank. So it's cement plank. So you don't have to worry about wood rot or anything with that, with the siding on this home or on the storage building. But look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. And then there's another live oak there. Plenty of room. It also has a fire pit, this concrete back that you can have cookouts, you can have family picnics, whatever you want to do. So again, this is 3185 Olivia Marie Lane on Johns Island. Current asking price on it, we just dropped the price. It's under $775,000 now. But tell me where else you can get this. If you want to schedule a showing, you can reach out to me, or if you have another agent, reach out to them. We would love to work with you.